with our supply of equipment, we've actually developed quite a few new machines. For example, sanitising equipment. So let's say if you go into a pizza factory or a sandwich factory, they may take in buckets of mayonnaise, blocks of cheese. So we actually have got a new range of machines now that when those blocks of cheese go into the production area, they are being sanitised on the outside of the equipment, so that when somebody takes the wrappers off, there's no contamination onto the product itself. It's something I want to roll out to hospitals as well, for entry barrier systems, so people, when they go into hospitals, they sanitise their hands, etc. Mandatory rather than just